Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. I'm here on the FET 4-day chart. As you can see here, nothing has changed compared to the previous videos. The smaller time frame reveals obviously the detailed wave pattern, so we're going to take a look at that in a minute, but always a good reminder of what is going on here on the larger time frame. So therefore it's always good to have that reminder. Especially for new viewers. The idea is currently that we are moving up in this corrective structure. This is a low confidence pattern. Yeah, it's definitely not high confidence. It's a corrective structure, which could be either an A, B, C structure, and we're currently in a B wave, which in itself is an A, B, C. Or we are moving in a WXY structure, so a complex corrective structure, WXY, and the Y wave is A, B, C. Don't get me wrong, I mean, it doesn't mean the low has to be in. This is a low confidence structure because it's only consisting of corrective structures. Yeah, this is not an impulsive pattern, therefore not a clearly bullish chart until we see a proper 1-2 setup to the upside form. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame for FET, and you can see that after this 10th of October crash, a lot of coins crashed on that day. We had an initial swift recovery, but the price was not able to break above the swing highs from the 10th of October. So without that, the price remains capped. I mean, what does that mean, not being able to break above this level? It means that, we had this initial sell-off and we don't see any signs of strength yet because we couldn't break above that sell wall. And honestly, we have seen a correction of another 40% since that recovery. And it looks a bit like a 5-wave decline. I mean, in previous videos, we talked about it. This here could be an A wave because it looks like a 5-wave decline. We might now be in a B wave. And then there could be another C wave down. This is one scenario here. Or we already saw 3 waves in A only. A waves often are 3-wave movements, but then the B wave was super weak. And then this would be a C wave in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The direct pathway. Either way, I said to you the white scenario, which is the directly bearish one, which can send us down lower directly, remains plausible as long as the price holds below 29 cents, which is the first resistance. We are holding below that 29 cent level at the moment. Yeah. So we haven't got, the chart is so weak, it couldn't even break above initial resistance. And even if we break above initial resistance, it could send us to 30.9 to 37.2 cents only, the next resistance. So to keep it simple, the pressure is downward until the market can finally break above 37.2 cents. And really only then we can shift the focus to that green line, our signal line here, around 50 cents, which is the swing high on the 10th of October when this selling pressure started to come in. So yeah, I would say this here is all just sideways action. We might go a bit higher in this B wave. But for any significant breakout signal, we need a break above 37.2 cents. Patience is needed here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to check out our X channel as well. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.